Your front door is one of the most important elements of your home's exterior. It's the first thing visitors see and the centerpiece of your curb appeal. A well-maintained, stylish door can make your home stand out, while a worn, outdated one can detract from its overall appearance. In Orangeburg, where diverse architectural styles meet Southern charm, replacing your door is a simple yet impactful way to elevate your home's aesthetic. Here's how door replacement can transform your home's curb appeal and why it's a worthwhile investment. A fresh, updated look. A new door can dramatically change the way your home looks from the street. Whether your current door is faded, cracked, or simply outdated, replacing it with a modern design instantly refreshes your home's appearance. Variety of styles. From classic wood finishes to sleek steel or fiberglass options, replacement doors come in a wide range of styles to match your home's architecture. Customizable options. Add decorative glass panels, side lights, or unique hardware to create a door that reflects your personality and enhances your home's aesthetic. Color choices. Bold, vibrant colors can make a statement, while neutral tones can create a sophisticated, timeless look. An updated front door creates a welcoming entryway that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Enhanced architectural harmony. The right door can tie together your home's architectural elements, creating a cohesive and visually pleasing exterior. Traditional homes. For classic Southern-style homes in Orangeburg, a wooden door with decorative details or glass panels enhances the charm and character. Modern homes. Sleek, minimalist steel or fiberglass doors add a contemporary edge that complements clean lines and modern design. Craftsman-style homes. Choose a door with natural wood finishes and craftsman-style detailing to emphasize this home's unique aesthetic. By selecting a door that complements your home's design, you create an exterior that feels intentional and polished. Increased natural light. Replacing your door with one that includes glass inserts or side lights can brighten up your entryway, both inside and out. Welcoming atmosphere. Glass accents allow sunlight to filter through, creating a warm and inviting glow that enhances your home's curb appeal. Elegant details. Options like frosted or etched glass provide privacy while adding a touch of sophistication. Natural light not only makes your home look more attractive but also creates a more inviting space for visitors. Better material choices for longevity. Old doors often show signs of wear, such as peeling paint, cracks, or water damage, which can detract from your home's appearance. Modern replacement doors are designed for durability, maintaining their beauty for years. Weather-resistant materials. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in Orangeburg's humid climate. Low maintenance. Many replacement doors come with pre-finished coatings that require little upkeep, ensuring your door looks new with minimal effort. Durable materials keep your home looking fresh and attractive, even under challenging weather conditions. A welcoming entryway. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior and sets the tone for visitors. A new door can create a welcoming entryway that leaves a lasting impression. Decorative accents. Add details like intricate hardware, vibrant colors, or seasonal wreaths to personalize your door. Defined space. A beautiful door frames your entryway, making it feel intentional and inviting. An attractive entryway invites guests to feel at home before they even step inside. Boosted property value. Curb appeal plays a significant role in your home's value, and a new door is a small change that can make a big impact. First impressions matter. A striking front door improves your home's exterior and creates a positive first impression for potential buyers. High ROI. Door replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvements, offering a high return on investment. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy its aesthetic, a new door is a valuable upgrade. Energy efficiency and comfort. While curb appeal is often about aesthetics, functionality plays a role too. Modern replacement doors are designed to improve energy efficiency, which can enhance your home's appeal. Tight seals. Advanced weather stripping and insulation prevent drafts and reduce energy costs. Comfortable interior. A well-insulated door keeps your home's temperature stable, making it more enjoyable year-round. Energy-efficient doors show potential buyers that your home is both stylish and practical. Reflecting your personal style. Your front door is an opportunity to express your personal style and make a statement. With countless customization options, you can choose a door that reflects who you are. Bold choices. Bright red, blue, or yellow doors add a pop of color that draws attention. Subtle elegance. Neutral shades like black, white, or gray create a timeless, understated look. Unique designs. Custom carvings, unique glass patterns, or distinctive hardware allow you to create a one-of-a-kind door. A personalized door ensures your home stands out in Orangeburg's vibrant neighborhoods. Conclusion. A small change with big impact. Replacing your door is a simple, cost-effective way to transform your home's curb appeal. In Orangeburg, where charm and style go hand in hand, a beautiful, well-chosen door enhances your home's exterior, boosts its value, and creates a welcoming atmosphere for guests. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, durability, or energy efficiency, a new door is a worthwhile investment that offers lasting benefits. Consult a trusted professional in Orangeburg to find the perfect door for your home and enjoy the difference it makes for years to come.